Alright, so 4th tournament of the year. This one's a bit windier than what I would hope for, but it'll be all good though. So whew. I'll say I think I'm just gonna let it coast, honestly. So 4th tournament of the year, fucking absolutely windy as a son of a bitch, but you know, talking to a couple of the guys, this lake seems like to be a pretty decent lake for a lot of stuff. So definitely white cappy, but I'm hoping that my GoPro picks up the mic pretty well. Overall, this wind it is so windy. It's a good 20-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and consistently probably about 16 plus mile per hour, like just hitting. So I've definitely fished in these conditions before. I've definitely done tournaments in these conditions before, even worse than this, but yeah, it's all good though. Be all good. Goal and objective today really is just to kind of just get back to basics, like not overanalyze everything so heavily like I have been. That's the problem I've been doing, or having to deal with very heavily, is I've been overanalyzing. Woo. I've been overanalyzing. Alright, but so today's goal, today's mission is just kind of chillax, get back to basics, have fun, you know, don't stress about it too heavy, and all in all, just chill, just have fun. And the way this wind is, woo-wee, but luckily enough, this lake's big enough. It's 6 feet right now. Okay, this lake is like blue. It's a pretty blue. But 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, fishing time. So I'm gonna be using some heavier duty lures today. I'm gonna be using spinners, crankbaits. If I can get into a nice calm area, I might start throwing like my jig around and kind of jig fishing a little bit, or even Ned rigging. But right now, I'm running clutch, a lipless crankbait, and I'm just fast pacing that thing, just covering as much body of water as possible and seeing what I can run into. But try out my spinner, see if my spinner can catch anything. So spinners, chatterbaits, lipless, cranks, just like that. There. Is he on still? He is on still. Nice. Nice. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Just like that. Just like that. Right off the fucking edge. Just right off the edge. Largemouth, how many inches? 14, I think 14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. Submit. All right, let's go. All right, baby. Hey. Hey. Mwah. Bring you some more good luck. See you later. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's how we start off. That's how we start right there. We start with one of those, then we just keep moving from there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now I just got to keep that up. It is fucking blowing. Fuck. Like, these are wind gusts that you get on like big fucking lakes, or like waves that you get on big lakes. You don't get this shit on small like inland lakes here in Michigan. Yeah, I'm fighting fucking like 2.5 foot fucking waves and shit. Oh man, I wonder where I caught that guy off of. I wonder if it was on like an edge or something. But whew. Sun. Ooh, there we go. Another one. That thing hit fucking heavy too. Come on, baby, stay down. Stay down for me. Stay down for me. Stay down for me. Oh, these things are jumpers, bro. These little guys are jumpers, man. Oh. All right, I get him in. There we go. All right. All right, buddy. You're what, 13, I think? See you later. Whew. All right. So 13. So largemouth, 13. I think it was 13 and a half. Let's see. Oh, is it just 13? It was just 13, never mind. All right, so 13. Submit. That's what I'm talking about, baby. You know, it's not bad. Like, I'm not moving like a crazy amount, which is nice. So I'm able to like fish. I'm able to fish like a spot or two, like before the wind really takes me, which is really nice. But oh, there we go. Oh, he came back for it. I think this is a fucking muskie or pike. Nope. Another one. Another little one. Oh, actually, I don't know if that's that's a good one. Oh man. Just manhandling these. I'm not even using my net for these ones. Ugh. So 3 fish in the span of 18 minutes. Alright, buddy. You can go back. Mwah. Whew. Oh man. Damn. These waves got bigger. These waves got hell of a lot bigger. But I think I'm gonna go back up. I think I'm not gonna go fucking up like where I was. I think I'm gonna drift. Oh, there we go. Right off that fucking bed. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, that thing just fucking hit down. And he slammed her. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Is that a smallmouth or is that a largemouth? Oh, that's a good sized fish right there. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That's a way better fish. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, shit. It's 15 and a half even. That's a good fish. There we go. All right. Woo, that's a good fish right there. Mwah. See you later, baby. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh. Oh. Woo. Shit. Oh shit. Oh, that was fucking wet. Oh. Good morning, people. Welcome back. So, yesterday we had the tournament. It is the next day. It is the morning of the next day, and I am exhausted after that tournament. That was tiring. So, you probably want to know how I finished. I'll first start off. I started off with a bang. You know what I mean? Like, I started off within the first 10 minutes, within the first probably 5 to 8 casts, boom, slammed a fish. About 10, 15 minutes later, boom, slammed another one. Another 20 minutes later, boom, slammed another one. Another 10 minutes after that, boom, slammed another one. I was at my 4th fish, and it's a 5-fish limit tourney. That's what the tournaments are, and it's all measured. It's all by measurements, not by how much it weighs and everything. I didn't catch a single fish until about another fish, anyways, until almost about 8:20. So I went almost an hour and some change without catching anything, or not even really having any bites. But tournament was good. A lot of people caught fish. It was insane. So I'll actually read the results right now. So first place got a total of 70.5 inches. 5-fish limit. Second place, 70.25. So 70 inches and a quarter with a 5-fish limit. Third place got 67 and a quarter with a 5-fish limit. Fourth place, 67 and a quarter with a 5-fish limit. Fifth place got a 5-fish limit with 63 inches. Sixth place, 59 inches with a 4-fish. Seventh place, 59 inches as well with 4 fish. Eighth place, 57 and a quarter with a 4-fish. And I finished right after that with 57 inches with 4 fish. It's starting to warm back up here in Michigan after the next couple days. It's actually going to be closer into like the 60s plus, and then nights are actually going to be warmer again. So it's going to be really nice, but it was a great tourney. It was awesome. Appreciate it. Shout out to Topwater for hosting these tournaments and hosting these tournaments very well. These tournaments are very well organized, so shout out to Topwater. But anyways, I'm out of here. I'm going to edit a couple videos. I also got to go to work and everything like that. So we're going to catch you in the next one. I'll be fishing in the next couple days. I'll be recording and everything like that. So again, hope you guys did enjoy. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Drop a like, comment, subscribe if you want. If you enjoy fishing content, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And remember, one more cast. Keep on fishing. Let's go.